So now, so we told you that a factor is x minus 6. And what do we say about factor again? It implies what? 0 for the remainder, right? So if we do this division, factor means if you divide it, the remainder must be 0. The same understanding that you had back in elementary school. So we'll go ahead and factor this. Divide this. Okay. And again, be very careful whenever you do the subtraction. Just make sure that you know what you're subtracting. Are you subtracting a negative number? Okay. And we ask the same question yet again. What times x gives you negative 4x squared? That will be negative 4x. All right, it's a subtraction. So you have negative 5x plus 30. And we'd say, well, that would need a negative 5 to cancel the negative 5x. And negative 5 times negative 6 would be positive 30. And that's, well, we expected that, right? The remainder to be 0. We expected it. So now we have this quotient, right? So that means x cubed minus 10x squared plus 19x plus 30, it's equal to what? Okay, it's like I tell you, 3 is a factor of 18, right? So that means 18 could be represented by 3 times 6. So in this case, it will be x minus 6 times. And I hope this further explains why I'm so picky about you writing the equal sign. Because they got to be equal to each other. They've got to be equal to each other. And when we say factor completely, can you see how we can factor this one more time? Look at this. Can you see how we can factor this? That becomes x minus 5x plus 1. So this is what we mean by factor completely, okay? You want to break this polynomial down into the individual factors, which they are at the end multiplying. Now, tomorrow we will have more time to practice, but tonight when you go home, please go home and practice the worksheet on the next page.